The next topic is process equipment and reliability. So far we talked about several things, and now we are getting into that a design and in operation plant and how that equipment need to be tested, put into the operation, and to see the reliable. Okay, so process equipment reliability starts with a kind of testing. What kind of testing needs to be done? The equipments in the operation, we have to look into that visual inspection. So the maintenance people going around on the floor, they see any kind of corrosion, erosion, and also any kind of abnormal sounds from the motors, gears, and the pumps, and those are the ones they look into that. Also, visually, they see any device or anything has got a problem or any leaking pipes and motor oil is leaking or gearbox and all other things. So in order to test, in order to maintain, there are so many ways in the industry they does. It is called a process 5S and also a standard work order or a quick changeover and Kanban and other lean techniques. All these are used to improve the quality of the testing, either product or the mechanical units or other productivities. Okay, the process improvement or other areas also, the quality tools, the 5S, standard work, quick changeover, Kanban, other lean techniques. So all these are the quality tools. They talk about that. Okay, so that is used in the system. And also they use non-routine maintenance. So routine maintenance is different. Non-routine is when there is a problem, then they fix them, such as leaks, failure to meet feed or product specifications, mechanical failures, and pumps and compressors, etc. So all these are non-routine. That means these are symptomatic. Whenever there is a problem that has been that will be addressed and fixed, the person who sees, the operator or engineer or anybody else sees and who is involved in the system, they will put a work order and get it fixed to those things. Those are non-routine. But what the other one is a planned and preventive maintenance or a scheduled maintenance. Most of the chemical plants, they what they do is every 6 months they stop all the operations and clean the equipment, and they check all the utilities, all the safety valves, and also integrity of the reactors. And if it is a glass line reactor or metal, they check the thickness of the glass on that. Also they do the spark test and see anywhere it is a localized pitting or localized corrosion or erosion. By that, when they are going to use further use of that glass-line reactor, they don't want to have a problem. That's the reason every 6 months they go and do that maintenance. And also some of the places they do 1 year. All these are on the basis of what kind of product they are handling, how often they have to check it, because of the nature of the material and the nature of the corrosion will take place, nature of impingement takes place. On that basis they do that preventive maintenance. Okay, and also they check the test and measurements. Any instrumentation is there, they check that whether the proper current is getting into instrumentation to properly open and close the valves. Okay, and also they check all the actuators are properly working, and also they fine tune and adjust the specifications of the each equipment, each sensor and everything, and they put it in place. And also they keep all the spare spareable parts like gaskets and other kind of things, they replace it. Okay.